In this episode, we finally sort out our failing solar panels and also give you a few tips to look for when you are purchasing your own panels. Well, after 6 weeks of no response from Safari, I finally sent them a letter of demand about our solar panels. And luckily they agreed to refund us the purchase price, which is great, because now we can get some solar panels and get them back on the truck and get it working, because we've been suffering without half of our solar capacity on the truck. I'll show you what I found with the panels. Might be a little bit hard to see, but this panel there has got an internal, or had an internal short. You can see that. So I'm currently ripping the panels off, cleaning up the roof, and we will put some new panels on as soon as I can get my hands on them. This is how we're at so far. Not the best thing that you want to be doing to the roof of your rooftop tent, but anyway, such is life. We'll get cracking on with it. There we go, out with the old crap panels, all ready for the new panels. Hopefully they will last a little bit longer than, 1.5 years in operation. We'll see how we go. Cheers. Old panels destined for the tip. The new panels are a Victron panel. They are a good brand, and we have had their products before, being the controller in the truck, which has performed really well. Be careful when I do it for the tent, because if it picks up the lining on the inside, it'll
spin it.
It'll pull it off.
Yeah.
Lift. Okay.
The other one?
Yep. You pull those cords in. Okay. Right. And down, lining up the holes roughly. Yep. Okay, that's good enough. Next one. I hope these don't break, they'll be hell to get off.
What's that?
Hope these don't break, they'll be hell to get off.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.
Just a quick update on the solar panels. They've been on the truck now for about a week and they're performing as you would expect, so they're performing well. Okay. The output from the solar panels on the back here on the canopy is almost the same as the front, which is exactly right. So we've got 400 watts up the front and 350 watts down the back here, and it's almost the same, just a little bit less. So that's great, and we've got no more problems with our panels now, hopefully. Just something else while I'm touching on panels. You need to be very careful when you purchase panels. You look at some prices and you look at the size of some panels, and you'll see maybe you can purchase a 380 watt panel, but it's a lot smaller than the area of, say, this 350 watt panel. So if the area is smaller, the efficiency isn't going to vary that much to produce that larger difference in the area. So I'll be very, very wary of purchasing that panel, because most likely the wattage that you're getting is not what's specified on the panel at all. So that's something just to keep in mind with solar panels, and particularly, you know, the cheaper non-name brand ones from China and so on. They can sometimes mislead you. Anyway, our panel's good. Cheers. So just to elaborate a bit further on the panel size, if you get your panel wattage and divide it by the panel area in square meters, it should be around the 15 to 20% mark. The reason why this is, that's the panel efficiency, and you cannot have a panel that has a higher efficiency than that. It's physically not possible. So check that out before you purchase a panel. After 12 months on the road, you think that you would have all your equipment sorted out, but we still have a few bugs left that we need to iron out completely.
If only you could just use insecticide. It's not all doom and gloom. In the weeks to come, we're going to share our Darling River expedition. You can experience the New South Wales outback with us. Red dirt, stations and national parks. And of course, the Darling will be there with us.
The game was set right from the start.